Open up to an entirely new way to look at luxury. Introducing Milgard Moving Glass Wall Systems. This innovative solution blurs the line between inside and out of the question. Aspirational yet realistic, this sliding wall seamlessly transitions between dreams and reality. Typically, moving glass walls are only a custom option in high-end homes. That is, until Milgard reframed the conversation. Now, you can expand your living space through standard sizes in 3 and 4 panel configurations. Milgard moving glass wall systems can be either aluminum or wood. They include thermally broken aluminum frames and panels, a fully weather-stripped structural interlock system, along with the high-energy performance of Milgard's SunCoat Max glass. Our moving glass wall systems operate smoothly and effortlessly. Despite their larger-than-life size, these doors open and close with just the push of a finger. The secret is our tandem stainless steel ball bearing rollers that are built to last and strong enough to carry door panels nearly double the size. And Milgard moving glass wall systems work together with other Milgard window and patio doors in your home to provide a complete, unified look for your vision. Trust in Milgard's long tradition of excellence, which now translates to this newest line. Move expectations, move possibilities, move forward. Milgard Moving Glass Wall Systems. Design that moves.